Well, good morning, guys. Just a little update for everybody. We got more potatoes that we're putting in today. So we'll have the second row. It'll be succession planted. Still some cleanup to do. Still waiting on a wood chipper to get here. But we do have a really big update. We managed to get some topsoil delivered. And we wheelbarrowed all the way from over there 6 yards of topsoil and managed to get these beds. We're not quite done yet. We have to amend the soil. It ended up being a little bit heavier than what we wanted. So we got some things to fix that. This bad boy is going to be so cool. So we're hoping to get these last 4 or 5 beds filled. And we're waiting on some camera equipment so that we can set up to do time lapses and such, so that we can give you guys even more content. See this guy, he's only like half full. But hopefully by the end of today, these will all be filled and ready for planting. Look at that beautiful black gold.